Alright, Amazing's barbecue. We've got the beef jerky on. We're at the 2 hour mark. And it's looking good and it is smoking. So we'll check back in a couple hours. See what it looks like. If you like and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome back. We are checking on the smoked jerky. At 4 hours. Low smoke. About another 2 hours to go. Remember, like and subscribe. Hello YouTube and hello Amazing's barbecue followers. Today we had the opportunity to make bottom round and top round beef jerky. So marinated for a couple days, sliced it thin, put it on the smoker for about 4 hours at 160 degrees using a competition blend. This is what we came up with, so I'm going to make sure a couple of my buddies get to try some and enjoy something good that's doesn't have anything good but smoke. If you like this, please like and subscribe.